What's up everyone, this is Adam with TAT Express, and I want to do a quick video on how owner operators are navigating through the turbulence with current spot truck rates. Spot truck rates is what the market is currently paying for full loads. We are in August of 2022, so conditions may change over time, but for now, I'd like to share some insight. Port trucking companies are reporting an influx in drivers that once served long-haul shippers. This is a result of declining truckload rates and increasing operating costs like fuel and insurance. 100 new motor carriers signed up to haul container loads over one weekend in July, which is previously unheard of. Examples of current rates as of August 2022 for a trip from Houston to Dallas, Texas, dry van freight gross about $650, which is down from $1,000 at its peak. On that same lane, a container move pays about $1,300. Houston and Shreveport dry van haul currently paying $1,200, which is down from $1,600. That same lane with the container pays about $3,600. Take note that there has been reports of rate cutting from competitors because new carriers do not know how to quote dryage freight. That is because the higher rates for pooling containers come with an extra cost. Extra equipment, additional procedures, and additional insurance needs compared to dry van freight. In addition, drivers will need a federal license to enter the ports. Drivers usually take about a month to adjust to the difference in working conditions. Intermodal is not the same as pulling dry van, flatbed, or reefer freight, but the drivers that left intermodal are now returning. One item to note is the conditions of intermodal have not improved. If anything, it could be even worse from when they left due to additional wait times and procedures. But this is a steadier income than the spot truckload markets, and home time attracts drivers. I hope this information was helpful. With the changes in the marketplace, truckload rates could increase. But for now, this is how the owner-operators are making money in the trucking game. If you'd like to schedule an appointment, you can call us at 972-225-3017. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other informational videos. And until next time, be safe.